Canva hack you don't want to miss, part 17. Open Canva, hit the plus sign and select Docs. Hit the plus sign and now select Magic Write. Enter in something like this: 30 tips on how to grow on Instagram. Hit generate. Now you're going to copy all 30, go into Google and select Sheets, and you're going to paste it into the first column. Now hit File, download to a CSV file. Once that's completed, go back to Canva, hit the plus sign, and hit Instagram Story. In Design, search Tip of the Day and select a design of your choice. I'll select this one. Now you're going to go to the left side, click Bulk Create, upload CSV, grab the CSV file you saved, and hit Open. Select the text you want to change, right-click on the text, and select Connect Data. Once you select that, hit the first text and hit Enter. Now go back over here and hit Continue, generate all of them. Once they're generated, now you have a tip of the day for the next 30 days to share in your story. How cool is that? Follow me for more.